procurement of the equipment to the individual courts to be able to source for.
Nyakor mgajuan kopogre gi weche maluoro doho atiri nyaka weche matimore county ma Migori. Jodak e sub county ma Nyatike owuok tung mosuo kod piny owacho bang' bad Migago mar aluora kotelne kod Soipan Tuya chapo oboke mar sirikal ni maromo eka 6,000 e kar chung'od burano. Koro idhi lok yiena kata idhi loki bungu mar pidho yiena. Okang' makamano oweyo kama loyo jodak 20,000 dhi dong' kaonge kata mna kar dak. Kata odoko ni moko kuomgi osedak kanyo kuom thuolo ma heo higni 65. Aluora ma sirikal chano dariji gin kaka Makalda, Mikei e kinda mamoko ka apise mathoth mag sirikal kod okamago mag tiegruok moriwo Polytechnic kod mbalariany Marungo bade ma Makalda bede dhi kalo midhiero makamano.
Some places like Oromo, Kuria, those places are registered lands. But because this place has never been registered, they are taking advantage of this land being not registered to anyone, ignoring that even some people who are living there to take that advantage to come here. Because even right now as we speak, they have brought a Chinese here, doing mining straight away. Even if you can go around this bush, you'll find a camp there. Built, and there's a road, a big road that is made to that place.
To the forest area.
To the forest area, whatever they call the forest area. So if it is a forest, is that really the purpose of forest? Yeah? Do they come up with making here a forest, calling this place a forest in order to do their own things?
Bayo naomba sana wenye wamekuja hapa wanasema ati hapa Usiri kuna forest. Baba yangu samani alifanya na wasungu. Alipofanya na wasungu akawacha yeye hapa. Jina lake alikuwa anaitwa Joseph Nyadiera. Sasa kitu ambayo nilishangaza sana, waforest wamekuja wamesema ati hii ni shamba yao. Na kuna wandugu zangu na wamama zangu wamesaa siku hapa kwa shamba hii. Sasa mimi nimebaki na wandugu zangu na wajikuu ya baba zangu. Sasa nitapeleka